It's Mondays with Megan. I have a great tip for my iPhone users out there. So with the holidays being around the corner, I figure there's a lot of family gatherings, probably a lot of time for family portraits, so very timely for a photo tip on the iPhone. So if you want to have level photos, you can actually turn a setting on within your iPhone. It's really easy. All you're going to do is go into settings and then click on camera and then actually click that level feature on. And then when you open up your camera, you'll actually have a little line there to show you if your photo is level or not. So hopefully the next time you hand your phone to your aunt or your grandma, whoever the case may be, you can help them see if the photo is going to be level or not. Wishing you guys all a very safe and healthy holiday season as families start to come together for these special times. As always, for more tech tips, subscribe to the YouTube channel, give me that thumbs up. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me directly at megan@easyit.com. Have a great week, everyone.